Video is let us try to familiarize the difference between strong and weak individuals. These are inclusive for both males and females. Now, there are strong indicators that could significantly identify a strong from weak ones. When a person is strong, that can be detected on his intellectual, physical, behavioral, emotional, as well as high moral discernment on how he would show his accountability to whatever kind of mistakes he incurred and accepted, while the weaker ones would usually blame it to others, and he would also show how very radical and irresponsible he is with blaming the circumstances to other people. Another indicator is the strong person or individual or individuals are clingy to the idea of pushing or uplifting themselves to work on growth and development. Strong persons would usually take failures or failures in life to be part of worthwhile experiences where he would turn into stronger one compared to the weaker ones. Usually the weaker ones would just spend a lot of time blaming his stagnancy or setbacks to others. But on the other hand, the strong ones would find ways to gain from the pain or lose he had experienced in life. Another indicators is the stronger ones would always recognize and structuralize his boundaries and limitations for the purpose of peace of mind, whereas the weaker ones would just accept whatever limitations he had discovered about himself and never put distinct boundaries for himself and the boundaries that others would or should not cross against him. We also have the indicators on validation and self-worth. Stronger persons would find ways to make himself comfortable with his own time, with his own accompaniment for self-growth and development. He doesn't rely for somebody or small number of people to make him happy, to do something valuable to him, but he does the initiative or actions to realize them. That is the exact opposite of the weaker ones. The weaker ones would usually cling to other people's help, extended arms to have or gain results to what he planned or would like to project for himself. Meaning to say, they always need somebody or group of people to work with them, because that is how they would feel those happiness from time to time, by being with the presence of other people physically. We also have another indicators or features of a strong person is that they always remain pleasant and very positive when it comes to planning, decision making. The use of high critical and analytical thinking. They know, or he knows, the use of metacognition, whereas the weaker ones would usually have to ask many people for the approval to what he thinks or he thought as part of his planned actions, if that could be workable, worthwhile, and valuable. So, meaning to say, the bottom line of this is a strong person would always want to work alone, whatever he wants to achieve in life. He doesn't feel discouragement to be obstacles to whatever he wants to attain in a short or long range of time. So, whatever characteristics that are mentioned about being a strong or stronger persons are usually the exact opposite of the weaker ones.